How to change background image in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change background image in Squarespace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, navigate through to your website. Your website is located here at the left side of the screen. Just click on it. And once you click on it, here you can work on your website the way you want to. Now, for you to be able to change the background image, click on the edit option located by the top part of the screen here, and then click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to a page where you can edit your website the way you want to. Now, for you to be able to change the background of this image, just click on the section whose background you want to change, and once you click on it, by the right side of the screen, a box will pop up displaying edit section. Click on edit section. Once you click on it, you'll see format background colors. Our focus is on the background, so just click on background. Once you do that, you'll see image, video, art. Our focus is on image, so click on plus, and then you see the option upload file. Okay, and then once you click on upload file, you'll be directed to your device options. Yes, your device pictures, okay, or files or images, depending on what you want. Then you select the one that you want to use as a background. Click on open, and then the image will be uploaded here automatically. Just wait for it to load, and then once it has loaded, it would be once it's loaded, you will be asked to do other effect on it. If you want to make it full bleed, insert, just go ahead, do whatever you need to, and then once you're done, navigate through to the left side of the screen and click on saved. Once you click on saved, the background will be changed automatically. So this is how you can change background image on Squarespace. I'm sure this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.